Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the S&P 500 based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course let's track a little bit much more the US market with the most 500 powerful companies for the economy of the US. We have of course in the all-time history for the S&P here to of course take a look a little bit back. We have a 1, 2 here, of course, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Very obviously, we are in an impulse toward the upside, of course, for the S&P, and we are currently in a wave 5 here, in the fifth wave, which it should be impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course. We have, finished the wave 3 as well impulsively, very nicely, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC correction for your wave 4. And we're looking at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Your targets for the wave 5 taken from the wave 1 here and based on the wave 3, of course, giving us a target at 1 to 1 fib level, which is the most common at 15,700. And of course, uncommon target, which we are very, very close to it right now, which is 6,460. Now we are looking, of course, a little bit higher because this wave 1 is already very extended, and we see of course a new start here for a new wave. Let me zoom in. Inside this wave 5, of course, you can see this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, toward the upside, where we see a finished wave 1, and we're looking as well at a finished wave 2 and another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, which it can very, very easily, of course, touch the common target, which is the 15,765, where we are looking, of course, here for another formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna dive a little bit deeper in this inside the daily chart. So as you can see on the daily chart, after our wave 1 here, and we have a wave 2, a very big wave 1 again is unfolding. So let me just organize this. This is our weekly, and we have a new count here for 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Of course, this 3, 4, 5 is looking, of course, for higher price. So let's of course squeeze the targets here. If we have a wave 1, 2 here, so if we take the fib levels taken from here to there as an impulse in a wave 3, we would like, of course, to reach the 12,276, which is, of course, yes, giving us a target very, very close to our main target in a wave 5, as we mentioned, the 12,000. So let me put a price, 15,000 actually. 844. So the wave 3 would be a perfect target for it as a 1.618, 12,200. Don't forget we have 4 and a 5, which is it kind of like very nice in a confluence, of course, with this a big target for a wave 5 here, that it might finish somewhere here. So we of course still have, of course, a little bit even more probably here for this counting, where you might finish still one more wave toward the upside. It can be an extension for your wave 5 and reaching exactly this fib level or this one in the top. So we have several targets here. We have, of course, the highest target can be 68,000, but before this I would prefer, of course, to pass the 2.618 at 26,008 until I call this first. So basically these are the targets. First thing of all, we would like to hit the 12,200. We are in a very, very bullish scenario here for, of course, the S&P. No correction, no cycles, bearish cycles. We are still moving for higher, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3. So your wave 3 here, if I want to count this, okay, let's put this count a little bit even bigger as a micro, and this one, of course, as sub micro, and this one are 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish your wave 3. Here we go. So just to know what to expect as well later on, let's put this in the white scenario. And also my Good. Here we go. Yeah, so very nice. Let's see also this target if it has been achieved already. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, we still have, of course, to reach the 1.618 at the 6,400 almost. This is our next target, of course, for a wave 3 in the white count here, and then having a just a simple correction probably for a wave 4 and a 5. To finish your wave 3, probably, of course, in an extended wave 5 probably as well. Don't forget that this wave 3 can have an extension even 2.618. So this wave 3 even can extend until this price action. After 4 and a 5, because as you can see, a very long wave 1 as well. The wave 1 of this wave 3 is very extended, meaning of course 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. It looks like already aiming for the 2.618, 8,400. So basically this is these are the insight for the S&P 500. I think a very bullish cycle is still on. We are still far a little bit from a correction in a wave 4 here. We need, of course, anyway to reach around the 12,000 for this wave 3, and of course to finish around the wave 5 in the big scenario of this impulse to reach a 15,000 as a common target for this wave 5 in the white count. That was it for the S&P. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.